Looking for a new course in nursing and paramedical course? Admissions open at one of the most top colleges in the country. East-West Group of Institutions, Bangalore, recognized by Indian Nursing Council and Rajiv Gandhi University of Health Science. Choose your courses on your screen. Hurry up! Limited seats available. For more details, contact the link given below.
Umentri ketenat puli puthi ke Sarkar Jilla uba Lahkmen Rumbui haka arpu sautere unai tung araja arpunri ula plat pajba ya ke Meghalaya School Performance Grading Index MSPGI araja arpusan araja arpunri ke beri ke jing pajbanya ya ke jing ya chaprang bat ke rukam penya jongki school haka leng ke Jilla. Habakran sikilat pathai kubor uba Lahkmen Rumbui ula ong buyakani ke MSPGI lapan kre da ketenat puli puthi lingba ke jing bisyar penya ya ke jing yo jinglum lingba ke UDISE plus araja arpusan araja arpunri. Kenega kentup haru khatway hajar sospa sau pulai teligi school na barok khat art ligi district jong ke Jilla Meghalaya. Uba Lahkmen Rumbui ula ongru baga Meghalaya School Performance Grading Index kamdi tang berbishar yaki school sarkar hindrai ke pet langru yaki school shimat khnang bon pen pau ya ke jingla trekam ke rukom penyat pat ke jingya chaprang jongki school. Katkum ke jingyo benta haka MSPGI arja arpusan arja arpunrio ke Jyoti Sroat Higher Secondary School kalau wan haka Kyrdan ke Nyngkong ke bayo kendai spa lipo point na ke 1000 point. Ke sarkar ke khmilanti bagane ke jingyo Kyrdan kan long kalat pen slor ya ki school ban kentiu ya ke jing hikai ke jing penyat bat ke jing ai jing nang jing start khnang ban kentiu ya ke pule puthi haka Jilla.
Government of Meghalaya from time to time tried to do its best to give the best education in the state. And this effort for the last 8 years, we have seen improvement. But having said that, as you know, so there are so many challenges which are there. So the Department of Education tried to do everything in its try to do its best. But having said that, as I said before, challenge is there. And you know that recently the government of India have released the PGI score for the whole country. And we know in the state of Meghalaya where we are ranking. And to take this forward, that the government, because this is not only the endeavor of the government, it is all the stakeholders have to join hands if we want the best education in the state. So we are trying to think what to do. I'm very thankful to the department, to the SEMAM, that we have innovated the first, I must say, the first of its kind in the country, where we have ranked the school where they are. The purpose of this is that every school should know how much is their score, where they rank, and what are the things to improve. So the ranking, the school have been taken map is 11,443 schools. It is a massive exercise. It is not a I'm very grateful to the team who are doing all this work. And out of this 11,443 schools, we are ranking state-wise, district-wise, so that, as I said before, the schools will know where they rank. And the ranking is based in different grades. Utkash, Uttam 1, Uttam 2, Uttam 3, Prasesta 1, 2, 3, Akanshi 1 till Akanshi 10. So the score is from 0% till 10% out of 100 point, 1,000 point. So this is, so to say, PGI score is for all over the country, but this also our own state specific PGI score, so that the schools, different managing committee, different schools, they will know where they stand. So the purpose of this conference today, as I said before, that to release this PGI for the state of Meghalaya, where these 11,443 schools, they will know where they are ranked and what are the things to improve. And these are done out of 43 domains. In the PGI, there are 73. And these are doing as per the UDICE score, which we take from UDICE and we compile it, and it becomes one mirror for us to look where a different school will look where they stand. And in this report, you will see there are some schools, the score is very disappointing. When I talk about 11,443 schools, it does not mean that only the government school. It means all the schools which submit the UDICE in the domain. And these also include even some CBSE school or irrespective of the board. So in this ranking, you will see that there are some ICSE school, some CBSE school, so on and so forth. So as I said before, the methodology which we do, it is that we have taken from the UDICE and we rank them and we keep the score. And this is not a one-off exercise. We'll try to do every year. If not, we'll try to do every year so that to keep time to those schools to improve. And if they doesn't improve, that means those schools, they are not doing anything. So we from the government also, we may take necessary step that those schools should not remain, because that means, so as I said before, they will know, and this will make the school competitive amongst themselves. And when there is a competition, how to rank higher, we hope that the PGI school ranking will improve from this year 5 to 5.71, it will go higher. So I'm very thankful to Commissioner Secretary, to the Secretary Education, to the team who worked very hard. It is not very easy to get the record of all the 11,443 schools, but they did it. And as I said, this may be the first of its kind where a state government rank its own school irrespective of the managing committee, whether government, private, and everything. So that is the purpose of thing. And this score, not only that, this score, the different schools, they can download it, their mark sheet, so to say, their mark sheet, where they score, how they run, they can download it, they will know. And when they see that, they can improve. And I'm very thankful to the SDSEO also, try to work very hard. I urge my officers from the district, the subdivision, and the block resource person, the VRC, let us work together. Our aim is that to give the best education to the student of the state.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam, dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata, habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut, pej ya kashap plus F hakajingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat akabatau bha. Kam kata ikadur jengki marbam kajing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki.
Balehi panai kita.
Kadon ka we kajing mentoy bakongsan. Kakot kakia. Ka nutrition bakam bha kajing im bakam bha pendon kam daki marba medon ka sharp plus F menta kasni.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.